Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Consumer Shorthand classes. This speed is of Andhra Pradesh, and the examination for 80 words per minute was conducted in the month of September 2022. Get ready for a dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Ladies and gentlemen, I am really happy to be with you here today. I see that a large number of people, men, women, and children, have come here on this occasion. I think that this shows your affection for me. At the same time, I take it that you are interested also in the welfare of the people of this place. At the outset, I would like to assure you that our government will do their best to help you in this matter. Now, your chairman has referred to the needs of your locality. Of course, I am aware that it is his duty to do so. You may be surprised that it is a long list, but as I have already said, I will be happy to do all that is possible to meet the needs mentioned by him. But in the same way, I hope you will remember that there are other areas in our state also where the people want several things to be done for them. As you know, the present government is of the people, by the people, and for the people. So we will do all that we can to promote the welfare of the people. Now you are aware that we have started a self-help scheme. I am told by your chairman that there is good reception for that scheme here. I understand that many works have been carried out here under this scheme. I am glad to hear about it, and I thank you for it. There is no doubt that you will continue to cooperate with your chairman in this regard and set an example to people in other parts of the state also. So far as water supply is concerned, I agree with your chairman that you should be supplied with good drinking water. In this connection, I would like to say that if any proposal is sent by your municipality, I am sure that the government will be able to do whatever is needed in this matter. There is such a need in some other parts of the state also. The government are aware of this and they are trying to do whatever is possible. When I come here next, I am sure you will be able to thank me for all the help that the government give as far as this matter is concerned. Thank you. Dear sir, I take this opportunity to thank you for seeking my advice on the proposal to buy house property in Tirupati city. I shall be pleased to show details of the royal palace, which I am sure will be liked by you. I shall also do my best to include the sellers to keep the price as low as possible. If you are free next Sunday, I shall arrange to take you to the spot for inspection. The owners will be happy to show you round the premises. You have the advantage of meeting the maintenance costs. You may put up temporary sheds and let them for rent. I enclose an advertisement from papers about its sale and a detailed plan. There is no hurry to complete the deal since the owners are prepared to wait. I shall request my lawyer friend to be ready to go with us to examine the title deeds. Awaiting your reply, yours sincerely. That's all.